Okay, welcome back to another video. Alright, another video on chapter 6. Alright, so in the last class I've actually given you the homework. That is, I do ask you to solve the question on exercise 6.3 question number 8, right? Yes, but I got a feedbacks that a lot of you are not able to do it. So in this particular video, I thought of starting a new chapter, but first I will solve these questions for you. Alright, we will discuss about this question number 8, and then we'll begin a new video. Alright, so a new topics, So kindly pay attention to this. Alright, so the question says that prove that a triangle must have at least two acute angles. Correct? So we need to prove that in a triangle, the two angles of a triangle should be acute, right? Should be at least acute. All right, that is what we need to prove. All right, so when we talk about this, we know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? Yes, so in order to prove that a triangle must have at least two acute angles, I'm going to use different cases, all right, and I'm going to use different assumption. So this particular problems is not based on a theoretical calculations, all right, it is based on assumption calculations. All right, we are not going to do a theoretical calculations with a fixed value, rather we are going to make an assumption on the cases and we are going to prove these questions. Is it okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write solution. All right, so in the solution, what I'm going to do that I'm going to write that we know that, what do we know? We know that the sum of the angles, the sum of all the angles, the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. This is what we know, right? So to make this concept clear, let me take an example. All right, let me draw a triangle. Is it okay? That is A, B and C. So how many angles do we have here in a triangle? We have three angles. So the sum of all these three angles, all right, upon adding should be equal to 180 degree. Is it okay? That is upon adding angle A, angle B and angle C. All these angles should be equal to, the sum of all these angles should be 180. That is, let's say angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Is it okay? So in this, at least two of the angles should be acute. Now, using the term, I want you to understand the term at least. Alright, at least means minimum two angles. Is it okay? Two angles should be acute angle in order that the sum of all the angle is 180. And if the sum of all the angle is 180, we say that it is a triangle, right? Yes. So now, as we begin our answer with, we know that the sum of all the angles is a triangle is 180. That is, taking a triangle ABC into consideration, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is taken as 180 degree, right? So now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take case 1, all right? I'm going to use an assumption basis. So in the first case, I'm going to write when two angles, is it okay? When two angles are 90 degree each, that is when two angles are right angle, then, is it okay? Then let's say your 90 degree plus 90 degree plus, let's say angle A and angle B. Okay, before I write it, when two angles are 90 degree, that is, say angle A equals 90 degree, angle B equals 90 degree. Is it okay? Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is what we know. That is the sum of all the angle. So angle A is 90 plus angle B is also 90 plus angle C equals 180 degree. So 90 plus 90 degree is 180 degree plus angle C equal to 180. That gives angle C equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree. That gives angle C equal to 0. Now, Do you find any angles in a triangle which is 0 degree? No, right? Yes, so in the bracket you write which is not possible. Alright, yes, because no angles in a triangle is 0 degree. Is it okay? I'm definitely sure whatever types of triangles that you solve in your lower classes till date, I'm definitely sure you have never solved any triangle which has an angle 0 degree, right? So this is not possible. Is it okay? Now, case 2. Is it okay? Case 2, that is when two angles are obtuse. Now, you know what are obtuse, right? Obtuse is that, is it okay? Obtuse is that angle which measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So say angle A equal to, let's take 100 degree, and angle B, let's say how much? 90 degree, shall we? Yes, then your angle A plus angle B plus angle C is supposed to be 180 degree. That is the sum of all the angle in a triangle is 180. So angle A we took as 100 degree plus angle B as okay, angle B, no, let's not take 90 because we are taking obtuse. So let's say 110 degree. Is it okay? So plus 110 degree plus angle C equals 180 degree. So 100 plus 110 is 210 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree, correct? So this gives us angle C equal to 180 degree minus 210 degree. So 180 degree minus 210 is minus 30 degree, correct? So again, you see here the third angles that you calculate, the third angle that you found after calculating when two angles are obtuse, you found that the third angle is negatives, right? So do you find any angle in a triangle to be negatives, that is minus? No, right? So again, this is not, which is not possible again, because no angle in a triangle will be negatives. Is it okay? Yes. So now again, let's take another case, that is case 3. Is it okay? When one angle is obtuse and other angle is 90 degree, that is right angle. All right, that is, say angle A equal to 100 degree and angle B equals 90 degree. Then what do we have here? Then your angle A plus angle B plus angle C as usual is 180 degree, angle A is 100 degree plus angle B is 90 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree again. So 100 plus 90 degree is 190 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C equal to 180 degree minus 190 degree, which gives angle C equal to minus 10 degree again, right? So again here also, when one angle is obtuse and the other angle is 90 degree, again we are getting that the third angle is negative. So again, which is not possible, right? Yes, so far what we do for comparison is that we took when two angles are right angles, when two angles are obtuse, when one angle is obtuse and the other angle is right angle. In all these three cases, what we notice is that all these three cases does not give us to be, does not prove or does not tells us that a triangle is not formed when two angles are right angle, when two angles are obtuse, and when one angle is obtuse and the other angle is 90 degree, correct? So from these three cases, correct, what conclusion can you draw? That is, from, you can write down from case 1, 2 and 3, we conclude that, correct, yes, we conclude that a triangle must have at least two acute angles. Is it okay? So two acute angles, all right, because from case 1, 2 and 3, what we saw is that when two angles are 90 degree each, that is right angle, we see that it is not forming a triangle, correct? And when two angles are obtuse, again we see that it is not forming a triangle. And then in case 3, when one angle is obtuse and the other angle is right angle, that is also not forming a triangle, right? So from all these three cases, we can conclude that a triangle must have at least two acute angles. All right? Yes, I hope this is clear, right? So you can just write hence proof, all right? Because here I did the answer directly instead of writing what we need to prove. Why? Because we need to prove these particular questions with an assumption. Is it okay? I hope this is clear to all of you, right? I hope you understood, right? If you did not understood, kindly message me again. I can give you a further detailed explanation. Is it okay?